So it's Yankee, I'm with 260 and 19 knots. Injury is not active, wooden thing, right shot and main kit down discussed. 1001.
I'm done. Full start checklist, please.
Passenger briefing.
Complete.
Control locks and covers.
Our stores.
Chokes.
Remove.
Parking brakes.
Set.
Doors.
Closed and checked.
Fuel quantity.
We've got bags of fuel.
Engine anti-ice.
Is on.
Oxygen system.
On.
Power console.
Set.
Cabin tap mode.
Off.
Leader valve.
Enviro.
ISIS.
Tested and initializing.
Avionic master.
Off.
Batteries.
Main on and ground off.
DC volts.
We've got 24.
Ground equipment.
Clear left.
Clear right. Beacon and lights.
Have beacon.
Clear to start.
Okay, starting right.
Just in regards into these heavy
Okay, so you got your afters then, maybe. Load meters, power over 10%. Avionics master is on, capital load, board, EMS power, ball off, ground use battery, charging within limits. Okay, it's actually not on there. There you go. And FMS and fuel should still be with a bit of luck. Set light just to fuel 1900. 1900, yeah. 18, sorry. Speed air valves, pressurization, transponder, cabin signs, on, ESIS, initialized, and these actualized. Okay, good to go. Gamma 214 Bravo, request taxi.
Gamma 214 Bravo, taxi order point Juliet, via apron Golf and the parallel taxiway, advise ready at Juliet.
Juliet via apron Golf, the parallel taxiway, Gamma 214 Bravo. There we 4 takeoff and everything. I am ready. Okay then, so brakes. Instruments of flight control. What's the yes? Oh, for a free. Okay, flat. Up and indicator. Traction and trim. Set for takeoff. Transponder. Number 2. Departure repaired. So we take off runway 12. Yeah, that's a right turn at departure. On the Tango Romeo number 1 Lima departure. 6,000 feet in the box and the QNH is 95 3 times. Okay. GRN 1 leave. Yep. Okay, runway check. Strobes, button, ordinary ice protection, good take 4, standard 5, yeah, okay. Sorry, and the windshield is on. Yeah. Auto ignition, on, engine anti-ice, on, auto feather, on, navigator lights. We have 4 greens and the landing lights are on. Go. Feathers armed. Feet on both. Oh, it's set. 18 knots. Positive flying. Gears up and indicating them. Stand power. And power set. Autopilot. So we have autopilot, FLC and FMS.
Okay.
We'll go for 140.
Okay.
So right to the crap.
Yep.
And I will accelerate after the turn. I will take the after takeoff.
Landing gear,
Up and overhead.
landing taxi lights are off a lapper.
Up and indicated.
Your damper,
Engaged.
time power,
Set.
the engine instruments.
Are in the green.
Checks complete, time checks to follow.
Yep.
3213, contact
Altimeter standard set.
132.575. Goodbye.
Yep. Cross change.
Engine anti-ice.
Engine anti-ice is on.
Ice protection.
Remains like it is. Full.
Cabin signs.
Cabin signs, they can go off now.
Pressurization.
Is good press.
And the lights.
Mark, consider we can turn just now. We're going to start that sign.
Yeah.